So here we have someone rocking shoulder length hair. She does have some blonde going there towards the ends. Wow. Beautiful bob haircut, gorgeous color change. She got more of like that ash blonde color going on. She looks absolutely beautiful. What a transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we'll be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have someone that looks like she is completely shaving her hair off. So she does a buzz cut, the hair change. Now this is definitely a pretty drastic transformation. And you can tell she's definitely in shock. And then she goes in and asks the stylist to add some color. And bam! She goes bright blonde. And we get to see the full styling of her new look here. She looks absolutely beautiful. And of course, she is rocking a very hot trend that we're seeing this time around. Women are embracing the buzz cut hair and dyeing it blonde. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with very long hair, and bam, the stylist cuts the hair, and it looks like she's getting a pixie bob. Gorgeous hair change. And then here we have someone in for a cut refresh. Looks like she wants a mini bob or a pixie bob variation for this one. Very pretty. I love the simplicity of this particular cut. Very carefree, simplistic vibes with this one. So here we have someone in for a color refresh. Oh, looks like she got some really pretty chocolate color, ginger tone. That's really pretty. And I really like the overall shape for this pixie. It's very unique. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone else rocking a pixie bob style. Gorgeous bangs in the front. And we're seeing so many pixie bobs this season, mini bobs. And then we have someone rocking out a pixie style. She switches up the color to this beautiful grayish tone. It's like a grayish lavender. Also rocking more of like that mohawk style pixie. Beautiful cut and color combination. And then we see someone with curly hair. She gets a nice bob haircut refresh and the curls defined. And then here we see someone, she has kind of like a mullet style. And she gets the hair cuts into a nice little pixie. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.